Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel. This is Sienna 2004 CE. It has a power steering leak, so we're gonna diagnose this problem. Hopefully we can find out what's wrong so we can fix it. So here's the issue. As you see, it's been leaking power steering almost like about 8 months ago, and I put those two extra power steering fluid, and I add every 2 weeks or so. I fill up this one and then get lower again. I check this one and it's dry here. I don't feel any or see like a fluid, power steering fluid. This one, same thing. And you see this one, I added extra. This is just piece of steel wire, and it worked really good here, as you see. Tied it with the pliers and just extra because I thought this may be leaking from here, but I put extra as a clamp here and work really good. Just in case if you don't have a clamp, you can use this piece of wire and it works really awesome. And down beneath there, this is all dry. This is the high, I think that's the probably the high pressure hose. This is the low pressure. And to see, hopefully to see, be able to see if there's any leak I can fix. You see, here's the drop slowly, and this is leaking. See, and the other leak has two leaks, and this one is leaking. See that? Okay, after we take it for like another engine rain, we put the van on the ground and we turn the steering wheel left to right. Now we found out the leak. Unfortunately, this one has two leaks already. This one, leak number one. So you see here, this is leak number one. This clamp, you need. I think I'm gonna have to replace it. And you see this, it's kind of loose a little bit, and that's why it's leaking. The other number two leak, this one here, is leaking too. You see that? Something wrong with this pipe here. See? So you see this? All oil here. So I don't know why this one is leaking, because there's no clamp here. This is kind of a factory clamp here. First I'm gonna have to fix this one, number one. So I'm gonna use this steel wire as a clamp. This one, it works every time. However, those ones also can be used, but this one, if I use this, I have to remove the entire hose, stick this one in, and that's gonna leak a lot of oil and everything, make a mess. This is just a fast fix, and it worked here, as you see, and it's pretty good actually. There we go. Okay, that's good. And that's pretty good. I don't think it's gonna leak again, right? You see this? That is the second leak, and now I'm gonna find out if it's leaking from here or from the top. See, I don't feel any oil on the top. I thought I felt it before, but it was no oil in the top. To replace this is a nightmare. It's not easy at all, and the reason why, I was following this pipe. You see, coming this way, all the way, going up, then down, and this is the one here. See this one? Okay, so go up, coming down here this way, all the way, and beneath this, okay, beneath this chassis here, and also it's coming and it's going. Let me check. You see this here? You see that? This is the pipe here, and this is the one here. This is the one, and it's connected all the way there. This is the one. Okay. To the I'm not sure what's this, but it's connected here. Coming out again. This is in and this is out. Those two of them here. So to replace this pipe, it's probably need to be removed from here. Okay, you see this? Okay, I'm not sure if I be able to. Here, there's two of them. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here, 1, 2. This one has to be loosed. Coming this way again. You see this one here. See this pipe all the way up and pull this one up. You see that? Up. This one here, and then down again, all the way to this one. Here, up, down, up. To here. And what I'm gonna do, because this is really hard to do, it's not possible, but the best way is to replace it, of course. Is this? It is not gonna work. Well, at least I tried, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned. So first we have to clean it really well from the oil, grease, dirt. I'm using brake cleaner, brake parts cleaner. This one works really good, dries quickly. And I'm gonna use this GB Weld, water Weld. This one says world's strongest bond. Here says 1300 psi, force 1300, set in 25 minutes, cure time 1 hour, and it works for pretty much PVC, plastic, copper, iron, aluminum, plumbing tube, shower drain, and so on, fuel tank, and water tank. So hopefully this will work, and we'll go ahead and do that. So we have to mix it really well. So this thing has to be mixed really well. Maybe it's better to wear gloves, but I can't in this case because I want to put on the back. If I wear gloves, I can't feel if it's gonna fill in the behind the hose, which is very important. I have to go all around and put a very good layer, so to make sure it seals really good. So it has been about an hour, and now it's time to test it. And as you see, it is very dry. Yeah, it's very dry, good dry now, and it seems like sticking really good. So hopefully, if this method worked, that's definitely is gonna save me a lot of time, money, parts. Okay, okay, so let's see. Nope. Yeah, still leaking. This method did not work. So I can see it's leaking from here again. Oh, wait a minute. It's leaking from the top. You see that? Oh, yeah. I was gonna do the top, but I didn't know. See that? It's leaking from the top now. So I'm gonna have to fix this area here on the top. That it's much easier than the bottom. So I got more left of this and I'm gonna have to add more here, and we have to wait another hour to dry, and we'll give it more test. But this is the second one. It was leaking, and as you see, it's no more leak here. That from the top dripping here. But yeah, that's good. Okay, turn off. An hour passed already. Now it's time to check and see if this is gonna work or not, just to make sure if it's dry completely. And so first we did the lower part here, and then I found out it was the top also leaking, and I did the top one also, and now it's dry. It's good to go, and time to give a test and see if it's gonna work. Okay, turn on. Okay, so we'll do the power steering test, left and right. Okay. So dripping. Stop. Yeah, it's leaking. Okay, so this time, let's see where the leaking is coming from. Yeah, it's leaking from here. That's it for now, I guess. Hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Check out other videos in our multi channel. You may like a video or so, and consider subscribe, like and share. All the best and goodbye.